You've just spent 3 hours building the perfect dashboard. You hit save, and suddenly, an unexpected server error wipes it all out. We are going to fix that workflow. By the end of this video, you will be able to take a raw dataset from your local drive and turn it into a published, shareable web link in under 6 minutes. Before we begin, let's check our setup. You will need 3 things: an active Tableau public account, the Tableau Desktop Public Edition software, and a local sample dataset, like an Excel or CSV file. The free tier of Tableau Public requires you to publish your work to their cloud servers to save it. Mastering the specific sequence of extracting your data before saving is the only reliable way to protect your analysis and make it accessible to everyone. Step 1 is getting our data into the system. Open Tableau Public, look at the Connect pane on the left, and select the appropriate file type for your local dataset to import it. This is the data source interface showing your newly imported table. Look at the preview grid at the bottom to verify that your rows and columns populated correctly and the data types are accurate. Once verified, click Sheet 1 at the bottom left to enter your workspace. From the data pane, drag a dimension onto your column shelf and a measure onto your row shelf to generate a chart. With our chart ready, we can convert these base numbers into a running total using a feature called a quick table calculation. Hover over the green measure pill on the row shelf, click the small arrow, and select Quick Table Calculation, then Running Total. The chart immediately adjusts to reflect the cumulative data, and a triangle icon appears, confirming the calculation is active. Using these built-in calculations allow you to change how your data is aggregated without needing to write custom formulas. Now that we have our analysis, we need to secure it. Click the Data Source tab at the bottom left to leave the workspace and prepare for saving. By default, Tableau sets your data connection to Live. Because free Tableau public accounts cannot maintain live connections to local files on your computer, trying to save right now will trigger an error. Look at the connection toggle in the top right corner of the data source page. Click the Extract Radio button to package a static copy of the data locally. Seeing that button filled in is your confirmation it is prepared for the cloud. Go up to the File menu and select Save to Tableau Public As. A prompt will appear asking for your Tableau Public account credentials, so enter your email and password to log in. You will see a loading bar process the extraction. Once it finishes, the desktop application will automatically open your default web browser and load your published dashboard. Skipping the extraction is the most common reason users lose their work. This single toggle acts as the mandatory bridge, disconnecting your workbook from your local hard drive so it can safely live on the public cloud. Sometimes, even when you follow the steps perfectly, your internet drops or the server times out during the data transfer. This is the standard error dialog box you will see when that happens. It clearly states, "Cannot save to Tableau Public," halting your progress. If the cloud servers are unresponsive, we can use local exports to manually document your dashboard so your design work is secure. Go to the Dashboard menu at the top, or Worksheet if you're on a single view, and select Export Image or Export PDF. Save these high-resolution files directly to your desktop. Treat them as a stopgap measure, giving you a reference of your layout and calculations to use until the servers come back online. By proactively capturing these static exports when a save fails, your analytical effort is securely preserved on your machine, regardless of external server reliability. Assuming our connection holds and the upload completes, your browser will refresh to show your finished dashboard, fully rendered and live on your Tableau Public profile. This split-screen diagram compares your initial desktop software interface on the left with the new live web interface on the right. Notice how the dashboard layout, colors, and calculations have translated perfectly. Scroll to the bottom right of your live web dashboard and click the Share icon. This reveals the unique URL generated for your project. Copy that link. Now that you have the link, put it to work. Paste it into your professional portfolio, email it to a stakeholder, or feature it on LinkedIn. Extracting your data and consistently publishing it to the web is the foundational workflow required to build a visible, professional data portfolio.